OFM Sport.
No, quite happy with the long game. Putting's been disappointing this year. So it wasn't just in Korea. But yeah, the long game felt good, and unfortunately, the game is all about putting. So need to have a few better putting tournaments to perform better. My putting's been holding me back. Last couple seasons I've been number one in putting. I think this year I'm, probably one of the last in the ranking. So I need to somehow find something with the putter to be able to play better. The way that I've been hitting the ball is good enough to win tournaments, but you need to putt better. I don't know. I haven't really looked at too much. I always like playing at Leopard Creek. I might have to play a few international series, but we'll see. Won't play a lot of tournaments after the season's done though.